SBS particles plastic pulverizer. A cooler by circulating cold air to remove the heat generated during machine operation. The temperature of critical components is controlled within a safe range. SBS particles. These plastic pulverizer machines are high-speed, precision grinders for the processing of medium hard, impact-resistant and friable materials. The material to be pulverized is introduced to the center of a vertically fixed grinding disc, which is mounted concentrically with an identical high-speed rotating disc. PNMF series plastic pulverizers can process powder sizes up to 20 to 120 mesh. The plastic pulverizer machine is mainly composed of an electric motor, disc-type blade, feeding fan, vibrating sieve, dust-removing system, etc. Centrifugal force carries the material through the grinding area, and the resulting powder is collected with a blower and cyclone system.